Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a really handy item for anyone who works with electrical wiring. The QSC 702 lock wire electrical cable connectors. This particular package comes with 50 pieces, offering a generous supply for various projects, ensuring you have enough on hand for multiple tasks. These are quick splice terminals, specifically designed to make connecting electrical cables incredibly fast and secure without the need for stripping wires or soldering. It's a game changer for efficiency and reliability in electrical work, significantly cutting down on the time and effort typically involved in making connections. Each connector, identified by its QSC 702 model number, measures approximately 37 millimeters in total length, which is about 1.45 inches and has a width of 10 millimeters or 0.39 inches. This compact size makes them particularly suitable for tight spaces and ensures a neat and professional finish to any wiring job, preventing bulkiness. The construction is a robust blend of metal and plastic, forming a composite material that ensures both durability and proper insulation. The specific connectors being looked at today are a distinct blue color. While the product listing mentions multiple colors generally, these particular units are presented in a vibrant blue, which is often associated with specific wire gauge applications in the industry. The combination of materials provides a strong, long-lasting connection that resists wear and tear. The lock wire aspect implies a secure connection once the wires are inserted and the connector is closed. This quick splice mechanism is incredibly straightforward. You simply insert the wires into the connector, press down the internal metal blade, and snap the plastic cover shut. This action creates a solid, insulated connection in mere seconds, saving a significant amount of time compared to more traditional, labor-intensive methods. With 50 pieces in a single pack, and a net weight of just 57 grams for the entire set, these connectors are remarkably lightweight and offer excellent value. The manufacturer, Nulon 0167, provides a consistent product that users can rely on for their electrical needs, ensuring quality and performance across the batch. Whether it's for automotive wiring, home electrical projects, or even hobby electronics, these QSC 702 connectors are designed to simplify the process. Their quick application means less downtime and more productivity, making them an essential tool for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic DIYers alike. The convenience of not needing specialized tools beyond a pair of pliers to crimp them down and the assurance of a reliable connection truly sets these quick splice terminals apart. They offer a clean, efficient, and safe way to manage electrical connections, making them a highly recommended component for any toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.